Go to Window, select Dungeon Creator V1, and press Full Setup and dock the window. Now we start building our dungeon using the 2D map, which allows you to create new rooms by pressing door buttons. Each room is customizable in size, location, type. There are 25. The basic rooms have a range of custom furnishings. Each room can have 1 to 4 doors, and they can be moved along the sides of the same room. Further customization is the height of the room and the possibility of having a roof. The visual interface can be scaled using the mouse wheel, and you can always translate with the mouse. Now pressing Create Dungeon in the Scene window will generate the 3D view of the 2D map. The dungeon is procedural and prefabs must be associated in the node window. Each node is customizable and replaceable with its own 3D models. We now change the type of a room and use Special Room 1, which is characterized by a series of stairs, and press Create Dungeon. We can continue to edit rooms and try to create a room that has a set of cafeteria tables. Everything is generated in procedural mode. By clicking Activate List, we activate Dungeon Structure Info for more customization and select Rooftop Creation. We customize the height of the room and the type of roof, then we go to the scene and start checking the creation of the dungeon. Let's navigate and check the decorations on the walls and how the roofs were made.